Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, red color, yellow ochre color. So kids, now we draw alphabets and first we draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for god. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and U is yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. I for rose. It's now you draw S and U is blue color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers, and first we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.